Hi, hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. Now we are going to see an interesting topic that every customers are asking day by day for the Scooty kind of conversion kit. If you have, you kindly tell me, sir. I will buy accordingly. So this is the video for that. We are giving the 10-inch hub motor, 48 bar 60 volt, 1000 watts, Scooty Activa, Axis, all kinds of Scooty model. Conversion kit, the hybrid conversion, as well as we can go it for the fully electrical conversion. So this is the total kit of unboxing. So once you are ordering, so this kit you are receiving finally. Okay, so what are all the things? It is coming from Vendo brand. Okay, it is coming from Vendo brand. 48 volt 60 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts Vendo brand pure copper winding hub motor. Okay, this is the hub motor. So second thing will be the controller we are giving. So it is from 30 ampere controller, rated current, 48 bar 60 1000 watts controller. This is we are giving along with this kit. And this is the drum brake assembly. So this motor coming with the drum brake, so you can easily fit it in your back wheel. Okay, back wheel of your Scooty Activa or Axis, you can fit easily. So this is the brake shoe. It is coming along with. In the back side you can mount this drum brake assembly. We will give along with this kit. And third thing will be the MCB. We are giving a DC 40 amps MCB. We are giving. Any short circuit occurs, this MCB will trip accordingly. So this is the power key switch we are giving along with this kit. Okay, this is the power key switch. So this is the 5-pin connector. 5-pin connector we are giving along with this kit. So this is a yellow color box connector, 5-pin connector. It is connect interface between the motor and the controller. This motor connection as well as power supply connections. So the next thing will be the 3-speed throttle with silver finish. With silver finish throttle, the good quality throttle. Okay, it is meant for good quality. 3-speed with forward reverse. Okay, 3-speed 1, 2, 3 with forward reverse, both the side. Okay, we are doing along with this one. And the final will be the digital speedometer. Right now we have Keisai brand. So at the time of ordering you, whatever speedometers are available, we can give along with this kit. Okay, and the final thing will be the DC to DC converter, 10 ampere DC to DC. It will convert 48 to 12 volt. It is used to connect the headlight, indicators, horn, etc. And the additional thing we are giving along with this kit, charging socket we are giving along with this kit. Okay, so this is the whole accessories we are including in this kit. 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts pure copper winding hub motor. Okay, this is the very smooth hub motor. So it is branded good. It is coming from Vendo make. Okay, so if you want to convert your old vehicle to hybrid or fully electrical, this is the best solution. You can easily convert your vehicle to a hybrid electric vehicle. Okay, there is 3 things you should be while you are doing the conversion. The first thing will be the motor kind of accessories like hub motor, controller, everything we will give one package. Second thing will be the battery. Either you can going for lithium ion or lithium ferrophosphide or lead acid. Okay, these 3 batteries are suggested. So mostly the peoples are getting lesser weight and more compatibility and the life. We are going for lithium ion or lithium ferrophosphide. We are not dealing the battery kind of activities. So if you want, I will give my dealer's number. You can kindly contact them and you can buy the battery separately. First thing, we are the solution provider for the conversion kit. Second thing, battery, we are giving our dealer number, or if you suggested you already know the dealers, you can kindly recommend it. For our dealer, we can get a maximum 2 to 3 years of warranty for the battery. So if you know very well the battery dealers and all, then you can directly purchase. Third thing will be the mechanic. If you belongs to Coimbatore environment, we will have our own mechanic team and we will convert our vehicle convert your vehicle, and we will give. Out of Coimbatore, from north, from anywhere in the India, that is what the purpose that we are making the video actually. If you want to convert your vehicle, any mechanic can do this work, because this hub motor kind of activities, it is easy to the work friendly, and some of the modification can be done. Not that much kind of mid-drive motors like BLDC motor, we have the bed connections, everything we need to do extra. So for this kind of hub motor, the mechanic, the work should be reduced actually. So you can, if any mechanic will know in your area, so you can easily convert. If you belongs to Coimbatore, we can provide solution for that also. Okay, 3 things you should be there to convert your vehicle to a electrical vehicle. So these 3 should be satisfied only. You need to convert your vehicle to fully electrical. Understood what I am trying to say? So now in this video you can watch fully, then only you can clearly understood at what voltage how the maximum speed can be achieved. Okay, so this voltage, this motor has the speciality of we can apply 48 volt as well as 60 volt. In 48 volt maximum voltage, maximum RPM should be achieved. Let me in the next we can show you how much speed it can achieve by the 48 volt as well as 60 volt. Now we can see the connection, how the connections are made. Now let's go for the connection. From the motor, we having the one wire is coming out. It is having 2 separate connections. So that is green, yellow and blue. This green to green, yellow to yellow, this blue to blue. From the controller we have this green, yellow and blue. You can connect it parallelly with the help of this yellow color box connector. Okay, and the second thing will be the red and black. Red and black is officially used for power. For red is for power supply, this black is for negative of the supply. So what we are giving now, the input that we are giving with this power supply, with this MCB, we are giving input from the top, and we can take the output from the bottom, and we can connect it to this. Okay, from this we can take one supply, and we can give it to the one end of the supply, we can give into the power key switch, and another is going to the orange color of the controller one side, and this one side is going to input to the power supply to the speedometer. Okay, and final the throttle connection. Coming to the throttle connection, so this another wire will be the motor. This connector, this 5-pin connector, you can easily connect with the controllers coming, so you can fit it in the connector. This connector will match from the controller. Okay, you can fit. This is the motor connection. And coming to the throttle, we have 3 different wires. First wire will be the green, black and red. So that is meant for the acceleration. Black to black, green to green and red to red. Okay, second thing will be the blue color terminal. So it is for 3-speed mode. So brown to black and black to brown and pink to white we can do. Okay, and final will be the forward reverse, black to yellow and blue to yellow. We can give either forward or reverse. And coming to the speedometer, red to positive, green to negative, and this black to output. Black is connected to this green wire. From the green wire we can give it. Okay, green wire we are giving. Okay, this negative supply is going to from this yellow color box. So this is the overall connection. So now let's check the speed that is being accelerated. Okay, now let's turn on the power supply, power key switch and MCB. Now let's check the speedometer. In the speedometer we having the indication for the battery and the battery percentage. Now the voltage should be 50.2 the kilometer and the total kilometer. This is the total overall speedometer for all in one option. It is having power key indication, left right indication, everything will be available in this one speedometer itself. Okay, now let's check the speed is achieved from the 48 volt. So we are giving 50 volt input. So first mode forward. Okay, we can give the acceleration. So in the first speed we are achieving 37 km per hour. 37 km per hour. See, the first speed itself in the 48 volt we are receiving 37 kilometers. So now we put second speed and giving the maximum acceleration. So we can get maximum 48 voltage as an output. 48 km per hour. Okay. Coming to the third mode, third speed, we can increasing the accelerator. So we can get the maximum in the second and third speed. We can get maximum 48 km per hour. See, the voltage will be 50 volt. We can get maximum of 48 km. See, in the motor you can see where the very smoothly it will be working. There is no noise is coming. So it is, especially I will recommend this particular Venidio motor to fit in your Honda Activa. It is a very good quality pure copper winding motor. So this is the maximum speed 1, 2, 3, and we can having the reverse option also. So now let's check for the reverse how much kilometers are achieved. So here we are getting 18 kilometers. In the reverse, you can see how smooth it will be working. 18 km per hour it will be working. 19 kilometers, 18 to 19 kilometers you can be achieved. Okay. For this 48 volt, you are getting maximum 48 to 49 kilometers. Now let's check for the 60 voltage. 60 voltage, how much kilometer can be achieved? Now let's check. Okay. Okay. So now the voltage can be increased to 60 volt. You can see the speedometer. The input voltage is coming 60.8 volt. 60.8 volt. Now let's check the we can accelerate the speedometer, that is throttle, and see how much speed it can achieve. In the first speed in the forward mode. Now let's check the motor speed. See how smooth it will be working. See the speedometer you can check. So maximum 46, 47 km can be achieved. This is 60 volt first speed itself. First speed itself we can get it 46, 47 kilometers. So this is what the speciality of this motor. You can connect both the 48 as well as 60 voltage to this one. See how good it will be working. There is no more shaking of the motor. Now let's check for the second speed. You can put it in the forward. Now let's check. See how good the speed will be. Speed will be increasing so far. So maximum 60 km can be achieved. See, you can see 60 km can be achieved with the 60 volt. So this is what the speciality of the motor. If you want to go to high speed, you can connect the battery to 60 volt, or else if you want to connect your battery to 48 volt. Okay, so this is what the other advantage of this kit. While you are buying this dual voltage per motor, 48 by 60 volt coming with Venidio mode. Okay. So last speed we can put it in the third speed in the forward direction. You can see the maximum speed. You can see 50 and 60 km can be achieved in the second and third speed. Okay. So this is what the added advantage of this kit. See, it is a pure copper winding motor. See how good it will be working. You can see there is no noise will be coming. It will be very smooth motor. and the differentiate between the petrol as well as electrical, this is a very smoothing of your two-wheeler. This will load up to 200 kgs, you can put the load. Okay, so now we can put it in the reverse mode, and in the reverse mode there will be only one speed. If you are accessing the 3 speed, it will not work. The reverse, only one speed can be achieved. Now let's check the speed also. We can increasing the acceleration. Now we can see the speedometer, we can achieve 25 km per hour. 25 kilometers can be achieved in the reverse. See, the very smooth in the reverse also. So this is what the complete thing that we are accessing on 48 volt as well as 60 volt. You can see in 48 volt you can get maximum 49 50 kilometers, whereas in 60 volt you can achieve 60 kilometers. So this is what the thing. So if you want, you can kindly contact us, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. So many of the people are watching, try to change your vehicle to fully electrical. So these 3 conditions you can kindly remember. Once you are buying this, you can have the idea to change your vehicle to a hybrid. These 3 things can be satisfied, then only you can do the fitting accordingly. So everyone can be fit and enjoy the riding with the electrical with the help of the Vanadium motor. So coming to our YouTube channel, we received many inquiries from our YouTube channel. So it will be really interested to get into the more videos. So kindly subscribe our channel. So it is what it will be really helpful to make new videos in the upcoming. Okay, kindly share to your friends, share to your relatives. Now the petrol prices are increasing now. You can kindly refer to many people. So this is what this can help them to ride a vehicle with fully green with our electrical vehicle. So if you want, you can contact us. In the top we get a mobile number. You can kindly message us. We can give you the total solution details, everything we can send. Our sales team will contact you in that same WhatsApp number that you are messaging means. So kindly contact us, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.